Welcome to 15 Woodland Way, Dayton, New Jersey, in the Woodland Meadows beautiful development. Secluded area surrounded by lots of trees, nature. You're in the Dayton area of South Brunswick, which is one of the most highly rated school districts in the state of New Jersey. You can see all lovely maintained homes. Our home in particular has a newer roof, newer windows throughout the home. You have a nice 2-car driveway, private cul-de-sac. You're not out on the main road. You're tucked away. Lovely brick walkway. Little side area here near the front door. And again, you're going to see all new windows, newer timberline roof, fenced in yard. Spacious yard too. You have a patio that walks out from the Anderson patio sliding door with the manual canopy, retractable canopy that comes out easily with cranking. Newer central air and heat. Completely fenced in yard. Shed. So it's a nice space. Again, newer windows as we head inside. Completely repainted from top to bottom. Lovely ceiling fans with lights in the great room, family room, dining room. Lots of closet space. You have a double closet here upon entry. Some storage space here in the laundry room. Brand new washing machine, newer. Whirlpool. Dryer. As I said, you have a very young, new high efficiency fresh air, forced air system with central air. Newer hot water heater. So all your major expenses that you'd have to worry about in a home, all taken care of. Totally open concept feel, which is very popular nowadays. Updated kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space. Skylight, beautiful blinds throughout the home, all new flooring, updated bathrooms, clean as a whistle. You've got the multi-head customizable shower heads, soap trays, all brand new fresh carpeting this week in the bedrooms. all beautifully coordinated to match everything. Real nice sized master bedroom. There's a walk-in closet over there. Plenty of room for a home office. Here's our updated bathroom. Same thing. Customizable multi-option shower head. And all the new healthy and low maintenance, durable vinyl wood look flooring. Another bedroom here. Adequate size, nice lighting, lots of natural light, plenty of windows in this home. And the same here.